Dear viewers, today we will discuss concept of mutually exclusive events. Mutually exclusive events are events that cannot occur simultaneously in a random experiment. In other words, if one of the events occurs, then the other cannot. For example, the events rolling a die and getting a 4 and rolling a die and getting a 5 are mutually exclusive. If you roll the die and get a 4, you cannot also get a 5. Conversely, if you roll the die and get a 5, you cannot also get a 4. In probability theory, mutually exclusive events are important because they allow us to calculate the probability of either event occurring by adding their individual probabilities. For mutually exclusive events A and B, the probability of either A or B occurring is given by probability of A or B is equal to probability of A plus probability of B. We use this formula. It is important to note that not all events are mutually exclusive. For example, the events rolling a die, getting an even number, and rolling a die and getting a number less than 4 are not mutually exclusive because it is possible to get a number that is both even and less than 4, such as 2.